Alright, today's video is on area and circumference of a circle. Circle is the set of points on a plane that are the same distance from the center, and a circle is also 360 degrees. Circumference of a circle is the distance around a circle. And you can, right here, this is the formula right here. Let me fix this right quick so you can see a little better. C equals pi d, which is pi times the diameter. And most of the time we'll be using the approximation of pi. So we'll be using 3.14 for pi. A lot of times on CRCT or any other type of test you take, it's multiple choice. Sometimes you just use 3 for pi. Now, I will be talking more about diameter and radius in a moment, or the formula is C equals 2 pi r. Now the diameter is a line segment that passes through the center of a circle. So, if you have a circle, it's a line all the way across, and that is known as the diameter. See if I can draw a little bit better circle. A little bit better. So the line all the way across the circle is known as the diameter, and it is usually denoted as d. Alright, and the radius is the line segment that passes through half of the circle. And another thing you need to know is going through halfway. Excuse me. Halfway through. I keep doing that. Alright, halfway through. But you also can find the radius from the diameter by dividing the diameter by 2 to find the radius. And you'll see as r is radius. To find the diameter from the radius, you'll just say 2 times the radius, and notice that that's what you have in this formula up here, 2 times the radius. Alright? Pi, we just talked about that pi, and that's the symbol for pi right there. It's approximately equal to 3.14, the ratio of the circle circumference to its diameter. Alright? Area is the number of unit squares needed to cover the figure. So if you're going to look at a circle, it has whatever units you're dealing with, how many of those, looks like a hamburger or grill top, how many of those unit squares would be inside your circle here? And that would be area. Alright, and that's a formula for area. We talked about pi, 3.14, radius squared. That means radius times radius. If you want to rewrite this, you can say area equals pi radius times radius. There's no way to write it. Just a couple examples. Let's just say we're given the diameter. Let's say our diameter is 8 inches. We're going to find both the circumference and we're going to find the area for both of these. So for our circumference, we know that since we're given the diameter, we know it's pi times diameter. So we said pi times diameter, and we're going to get 3.14 times 8. So we got 3.14 times 8, 32. Darken that in a little bit. 8, 9, 10, 11, 24, 25. And when you multiply the decimals, 2 numbers to the right, 2 numbers to the right. So our circumference is 25.12 inches. Alright? Now, on the area, we know it's pi r squared. So we know it's 3.14. We don't know the radius, what we talked about earlier is diameter, find the radius. it's the diameter, which our diameter is 8, divided by 2, which is 4. So our radius here equals 4. So that'd be halfway across here, would be 4 inches. So times 4 squared. Now, order of operation tells us that we square first. And we said radius times radius, so it would be 4 times 4, 16. We got 3.14 times 16, 24. Oh, excuse me. Sorry, set up, please. There, sir. Let's change color. 24, 6, 7, 8, 18, 0, 4, 1, 3, add them up, 4, 12, 9, 10, 3, 4, 5. So that's 50.24. Now, if you can recall, the area is always squared because it's how many square units are inside of the circle. So inches squared. Now I'm going to give you another problem, and I want you to try this one. Alright, and that's all for the video. Make sure you complete the homework I gave you, and we'll be talking more about this on Friday. Oh, also, there'll be a little pop quiz on Friday as well. You can review the theorems of a triangle, there's area and circumference, and how to draw a triangle. So those things will be on there.